Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We got that BMW here, E46, and control arm bushing on that thing is shot. We have one from a parts car, guys, that we have less than 5,000 miles on this bushing that we replaced. And it's a parts car now, so we'll be reusing this one. Stay with us, we'll show you how to remove and replace it. Check how bad that thing is. It's terrible. I mean, it's not even safe to move the car around. Check now the tire. Okay, watch. Do you see all the play that we have? Yeah, that's control arm bushing right there. Every time you hit the brake, every time you hit a bump, it's right there. So you can see how bad it is. So we're gonna jack it up, take the tire off quick, and we're gonna show you how to replace it now, guys. Always use a jack stand, guys, because never rely on the jack itself. Okay, we're doing that. We actually have to go ahead and jack up the other side as well, because the easier way will be, okay, we'll show you, we'll need to remove that cross member piece right there, that support. So we'll show how to do that now in a little bit. Alright, taking the wheel off now so we can proceed, and I will lay under the car, guys, and show you that bushing. The whole rubber is gone. I don't know how they drove that car, probably that's why we body dragged a little bit, because they lost control. Okay guys, we're under the vehicle now. Okay, you can see on the passenger side, okay, that's the bushing. Okay, that's the bushing right there. And look at that thing. Look at the play. That's ridiculous. You can see how much play it has. So stay with us, we're going to go and take it apart now. Okay guys, so we're going to remove a few screws with a Phillips screwdriver there, 3 of them. For that cover, plastic cover under the engine, we might need to remove the whole thing, we'll see, but we might just get away with removing just the back screws, and that way we'll be able to drop it and remove that metal support from there. Okay, it's not even holding now anymore because 2 are missing. Now with a 5/8 or 16mm, we recommend using 16mm. There is 2 bolts on the front that we need to remove. 2 on the left side, 2 on the right, so altogether 4. Okay, and here we have 4, 2 on the back on the right side and 2 on the left. So altogether we have 8 bolts with that 16mm that we need to remove now. Okay, one is out. Okay guys, that's what the bolt looks like. We have 7 more to go. Okay, second one. Now 2 on this side on the back. 1 more. Okay, now we have the front left, which is 4 more there. Okay, for the last one you have to be holding that thing because it's gonna drop on you. And it is heavy, I mean it's not super heavy, but if you don't expect it, it will hit you pretty good. It's aluminum. Alright guys, that's the piece, aluminum. I said heavy, it's not very heavy, but if you don't expect it, it's gonna hurt. So we're gonna actually even wash that thing before we put it together, because you can see all the oil and dust that's collected there. Okay guys, and now we're gonna go ahead and get to the bushing right there with a 16mm. Again, the same 16mm that we used. We need to take these 2 bolts off, and they will be pretty tight, I guarantee you that. So need to get them loose, and I think we will be able to replace the bushing pretty simple. We'll show you how. Okay, second bolt now. We're gonna cheat a little bit and use the little impact. Okay, one is out. It's a little bit shorter than the other ones, so you need to make sure you don't mix them. Okay, and you can see it dropped. Okay, and right there, that's a messed up bushing. It's not supposed to come out like that. Not at all. You can see just it fell apart. That's the inner piece that we need to take out, and it's stuck there pretty good, so we will need to remove that one now. If yours, guys, didn't fall apart, it's easy. You can hammer it out. You can put a little bit of on the front side, a little bit of washing detergent to lubricate it. It works really good. And but ours fell apart, so we'll have to cut it open now. We'll show you what we're gonna do. So we're gonna use the grinder, guys, and we're gonna cut it on the bottom where it's the shortest one right there. Once we remove it, we'll show you exactly. Okay, let's see. Okay, and the outside of it is metal, so that's what you need to cut. The inside you still have rubber layer there. You need to make sure you don't cut all the way to the control arm. Okay, and now we're gonna open it with a screwdriver and push it out. Okay, it'll come out super easy. We'll show you what we did. That way you don't damage it. Okay, almost out. Okay, the piece might be a little bit hot, so you can see that's where we cut it. Right here, that you can see it's the narrow point here. You have one on top, one on bottom, and you still have the rubber inside. Okay, you can see we didn't even touch it at all with the grinder. It looks good. As long as you don't cut it, you're good to go. Now we're going to go ahead and install the new bushing. And okay, guys, in another case, if it's not broken, you can hammer those out. You can hold the control arm like that. Okay, and they'll come out eventually. Okay, that's what another one looks like. This one is it's getting weak. You can see we damaged it a little bit with the hammer here, but we'll be replacing this one as well. We wanted just to demonstrate, guys, and make as good video as possible, so you can see how we did that. Alright, guys, so now that bushing, that's how it's going to go on the car. Okay, like that. And we're going to put washing detergent. Okay, that works amazing. We've seen other people using it, we started using it. Anything washing detergent, just put a generous amount of it there, okay, on the whole rubber, and that makes it really slimy, so it goes on the metal piece really easy. Also, we will apply on the control arm there, so I'm gonna put some there as well. Okay, that way we don't need to worry about the bushing not getting on it, because sometimes it's not easy to put those things back on the control arm. Usually if you grab them with two hands, you can put them on. Okay, you need to make sure that those things are facing up, because that's how it's going to bolt. Otherwise you might get it wrong. Okay, trying to see what's better. Okay, this one will go in pretty easy actually with the detergent. Okay, you can see it went super nice. Okay, we need to adjust it now there. Okay, to fit really good. Okay, so we need to turn it maybe a little bit until it gets to the point that it's okay right there in those guides, which could be a little bit tricky. You need to twist it a little bit. Okay, we're gonna get one bolt now. Just don't get it tight, okay? You need to just get it to the point that it's gonna start getting it a little bit tight, and then we're going to install the second one. We wanna make sure that it goes where it's supposed to. It's super windy outside, guys. We hope the video is good. Okay, now we will need to move it a little bit this way, and I think it will go. Okay, we still need to push it a little bit. Okay, like that. and it should be right there now. And we need to get these two tight now. Okay, it's going good, so that's good. And if you get a heavy duty bushings, they go in hard. I mean, you might even have to take the control arm to push them on. That's how tight some of them are. We will have the video how to do that as well, guys, if you need to, so don't forget to subscribe. We have many more videos as well. Don't forget to check out our store and our main channel, World Mechanics. Okay, we got those tight now. And next, you guys, you need to install that metal cross member piece right there. Okay, and connect the three screws on the phone. Pretty much do it in reverse order that we took it apart, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know what you think, and please give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.